Okay, we just got this new battery from BeCleanLife. It's a replacement battery for our Dyson V10, and I just replaced it. Here's the old original Dyson battery that I just took off, and here's the new one I just put on. And basically super simple. All I did was unscrew that screw right there, and these two little screws right here on the back of the original battery, and then I just re-screwed back in those three spots with this new battery. And apparently it comes charged because it's working already. I haven't replaced the filter yet. They gave me spare filters too. They sent it to us so we could show it to you, but I'll tell you what, the little baby screwdriver they gave me was not worth anything, so I had to get out my Dewalt hand screwdriver thingy so that I could do the screws and stuff, because I didn't have this here. Was not very effective. That came with the replacement battery, but it didn't really help me very much, so I had to get out my other one. So anyway, obviously that sounds good. Like, it's got a good charge on it, and it sounds really powerful, so that sounds good. Thanks for sending that. That's going to be very, very helpful.